Can alcohol damage my Epson printer heads?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're delving into a question that's often on the minds of many Epson printer owners. Can alcohol damage my Epson printer heads? We'll explore what printer heads are, why they might need cleaning, and the potential impact of using alcohol for this task.
What are Epson printer heads?
First, let's understand what printer heads are. They're an integral component of your printer that spray ink onto the paper. Over time, ink can dry and accumulate on these heads, leading to issues such as streaks or blank pages in your printouts.
Why might I need to clean my printer heads?
So, if these print heads get clogged, you might consider cleaning them. This process can help maintain the printer's functionality and ensure high-quality printouts. However, it's crucial to use appropriate cleaning solutions to avoid causing further damage.
Can alcohol damage the print heads?
This brings us to our main question: can alcohol damage the printer heads? The answer isn't straightforward, as it depends on the type of alcohol and the printer. Isopropyl alcohol is commonly used for cleaning electronic components because it evaporates quickly and leaves behind no residue. However, it's important to use at least a 90% isopropyl alcohol solution to prevent water damage, as lower concentrations have more water. Beware of using rubbing alcohol, which is usually 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. The excess water can potentially damage the electronic components of the print heads.
How should I clean my printer heads?
Now that we've understood the possible risks, let's go over a safer method to clean your printer heads. 1. Turn off and unplug your printer. 2. Remove the ink cartridges. 3. Dampen a lint-free cloth or swab with isopropyl alcohol, being careful not to soak it. 4. Gently wipe the print heads. 5. Let the print heads dry completely before reinstalling the cartridges and turning the printer back on. So, to wrap up, while alcohol can be used to clean Epson printer heads, it's crucial to use it appropriately. Isopropyl alcohol with a concentration of 90% or higher is a safer option. However, rubbing alcohol should be avoided due to its high water content. Always remember, your printer is a sensitive piece of equipment. Treat it with care to ensure it serves you well for years to come.